They don't just drive, they climb walls. Number 5 is the Laser Wall Climber. It chases light, drives on walls, ceilings, and spins 360 degrees. Great for stunts and laser tag fun. 4th goes to this anti-gravity beast from Temu. USB rechargeable, bright headlights, and crazy spins on walls or flat surfaces. 3rd is Hexbot's Gecko. It crawls on walls like a real lizard with glowing eyes and soft limbs. Looks alive, kinda creepy, super fun. 2nd goes to EpochAir. Quick spins, solid grip, and bright lights. Switch between wall and floor with just a click. And still number 1, Hogs Zero Gravity. Vacuum-powered, sticks to any surface, and flies across walls with speed. Which one would you race up your fridge? Comment below and follow for more awesome RC finds.